an enzyme. So the correct answer, Doc, is D, only statement 1 and 4. And the rest is false because ang 2, Doc, is sodium potassium pump. Ang mali ani Doc is needs to go along. So since sodium potassium pump man siya, so opposite siya, Doc.
Very
And
good.
then ang fourth, ang mali ani Doc,
Ay,
sodium pot I know, ang 3, Doc, mali is sodium potassium pump requires the kinetic energy. So ang mali ani Doc is the kinetic energy because sodium potassium pump requires cellular energy, Doc, no?
very good. Very good. Very good, ha? Keep it
Yes,
up,
Doc.
ha? Next, kuan. Uh, Masa nagita number 4. Number 4, sa sunod ni mo, Lori May. John Henry? Number
Usually,
4,
no,
John Henry.
number four. First, the diffusion is about the movement of solute. The second one is osmosis is about the movement of solvents, and then three is osmosis is dictated by osmolarity, and four is how a cell reacts to a solution. It's called tonicity, which is all answers are true.
Sige, so true man tanan. Ikaw yung answer sa number 5, John Henry, ha? O,
Sige daw.
makina-explain. Okay? Sige. Very good at all statements are true. Next, number 5, go. Ikaw gyapon, Mr. John Henry.
First one is hypotonic solution causes crenation, and then two, hypertonic causes crenation, and three is hypotonic causes swelling, and four is hypotonic causes bursting of cells. So sa first pa lang po parang all na pong hypotonic. So one and two, some nine, one is hypotonic solution causes crenation, which is false because they cause hemolysis. And then two is hypertonic causes crenation, which is true. And then three is hypertonic causes swelling. And
Okay.
true kasi ang swelling po is named crenation lang pero in different terms. Then hypotonic causes bursting. So,
Okay, sige, sige. Yeah, so, yeah, correct sila. Except for one. Ang number 1, radyo wrong. Kay hypotonic, it should be hypertonic. I-explain na nimo ang wrong lang. Ayun, i-explain ang correct, ha? But very good, ha? Keep it up, Mr. Klana. At least ni-improve jud inyo ang kuan. Okay? Next, Miss Kim. Number 6. Go. Kani si Miss Kim, way swerte kay all false. I-explain tanang statement.
Okay.
Sige, go.
One, facilitated diffusion that does not use proteins. Number two, active transport does not require an enzyme. Facilitated diffusion will not use a carrier protein. Active transport carrier protein can change shape without energy. Kuan dok, mali tanan dok kay ang form maguna ko sa iwit dok kuan without energy need man siyang ATP dok since active transport.
Very good.
And then sa 3, facilitated diffusion will not use a carrier protein. Maggamit man siya.
Yes, mabitaw what the hell facilitates, di ba? Ang protein.
Dok.
Next.
Active transport does not require an enzyme. Ang yang enzyme is ATPase. And then facilitated diffusion does not use proteins. Mali po do kay gagamit po sila proteins.
Very good, very good. Okay, thank you, Miss Kwan. Next, kay si Maria Eddy. Kadit lang ha, ako sang i-move ang one. Okay, Miss Maria Eddy, go.
Okay, Doc. So, first statement, second active transport does not need energy. Second statement is second active transport always follows the gradient. Third statement is second active transport requires a carrier. And ang fourth is second active transport mostly uses sodium and potassium as carriers. And only answer is 3 and 4 and the rest are false. And false siya, Doc, since second active transport from the name ng active mag-need yapon siya og energy. Then ang second statement which Second, active transport always follows the gradient na napud sa name nga active transport, so it doesn't rely on the gradient.
Very good, very good. Next is si Peachy. Peachy. Number 8, Miss Peachy.
Yes, Doc. Okay. First is stimuli are perceived changes. Second is stimuli are pick up integrating centers. Third, and then factor is used to pick up changes in the environment. And fourth is stimuli can be found inside and outside the body. So the answer is, sir, I thought is C, which is 1 and 4, because stimuli can sense changes, and also stimuli can be found inside and outside the body.
Very good. Then so stimuli are picked up by sensors, dili integrating centers. Ha? Sige,
Yes.
very good. So, next kay si Sean. Sean Ryan. Ako sa i-move ang na. Go, Mr. Sean Ryan. Go, Mr. Sean Ryan. Sensors. Asa? Dili stimuli. Very good. Pick up information, not the stimuli picks up the change, right? Very good. Okay, thank you, Sean. Miss Tipa. Number 10, Miss Tipa. Saan naman yung ibang classmate? Oy,
Wait
sige na
lang,
lang.
Doc. Di ko po makita yung question.
Oh, sorry, di ka kaklaro. Akong padakan.
Di ko makita yung question, Doc.
Um,
Wait lang. Kita ko na. Number 10.
yes.
Okay. So, the choices are effector responds to stimuli, sensors respond to stimuli, variables can be measured, and integrating center receives stimuli. So the answer is 1 and 3. This is because the first is the integrating center receive stimuli. Wrong yang, it should be the sensors that will receive the stimuli. Second is yung sensors respond to stimuli. They just receive stimuli, doc, si sensors. They don't respond to it, I think.
Okay, very good. So sensors pick up stimuli, don't respond to it. Very good. Then number 4 is kwan. Wrong because integrating center receives stimuli. It should be sensor. Okay? Thank you, Miss Tipa. So balik na sa ni Mr. Busico. Okay? Mr. Busico, 11.
Resting potential requires ATP. Symmetry of ions, the hallmark of resting membrane potential. Resting potential does not require energy to maintain, and resting membrane has an asymmetric distribution of ions. The answer is 1 and 4 is true. Symmetry of ions, a hallmark of resting membrane, that is false. It requires an asymmetric distribution of ions, as stated in 4, which is true. And 3 is also false because resting membrane does not require energy to maintain. It requires energy to maintain because of the uneven distribution of ions.
Very
Wait, mo ba,
good.
Doc? Kanang
Asa
number
po,
3?
sorry. Number
Correct ba
3.
number, Doc? Yeah.
Resting potential does not require energy. Of course, it
Because of
requires
the
energy, ha?
because of
So,
the uneven distribution.
yes, ang does not
Okay.
require energy kay ang action potential kay when the gates open, it's actually simple diffusion will happen. Okay? Pero kung resting, you need energy dyan. Okay? So, mabitaw tong statement that that the resting potential is due to the constant requirement of metabolic energy. Okay? So, let's next statement, number 12. Series sunod niya eh. Thank you, Mr. Kana. Miss Corinne. Frances, next.
For 12, Doc, the cornea is the light sensor. The retina has three types of cells related to light, and the sclera allows for colored vision, and the retina is sensitive to light. So only statement 2 and 4 is true, and the rest are false. So 1 is false because the cornea is the one that refracts and it bends the light, but it does not sense it. So therefore, cornea is not the light sensor. And 3 is false because the sclera is only the kanang outer layer, and the cones are the ones that allow for color vision.
Very good. Pero, ang number 2, feeling mo correct?
Mm. Yes, Doc.
Di ba 2 raman dapat?
Other rods and cones.
So, wrong siya dapat.
Mm.
Okay, wala may 4 lang alone. So, i-bonus na lang ko na.
Okay, Doc.
So, anyone who answered this will get correct answer. Yay! Wala yay diya. Wala may lami. Just kidding, ha? Yeah, okay. Kasabot mo, why? The typo siya, it should be 3 types, 2 types only. Kanang rods and cones. So dapat dili 3. So dapat wrong ana. Ang statement yun, ang correct yun ana, that should be only statement number kuan. Kanang so tawag ani, kanang statement 4 is correct. Pero yeah, nasipyat sa to. Sige lang. Okay? Next is kuan. Thank you, Miss Kuan Corinne. Next, Mr. Tanpin, number 13.
So number 13 kay number 1 is olfactory sense picks up chemical stimuli. Number 2, cochlear sense picks up mechanical stimuli. Number 3, vision is a mechanical stimulus. Then taste is a mechanical stimulus. So the reason why 1 and 2 is correct, no, the reason why 3 and 4 is wrong is because vision picks up electromagnetic stimulus, not mechanical. Then
Very
taste
good.
is chemical.
Taste, yes, taste is chemical. Ha? Guys, actually your cochlea senses sound. Sound is a mechanical wave traveling in the air. Okay? So it's considered actually mechanical. Even your balance is considered a form of mechanical because the way the limbs will react. Na fluid sa ears that react to gravity and it's a mechanical process. Okay, so kana yung tanang koan. Wait lang. Okay, so kuan. Number next number 14. Number 14. Kuan. Miss Glory May.
Yes, Doc. Statement 1, naked nerve endings pick up temperature. 2, Messner's picks up pain. 3, naked nerve picks up pain. 4, Pacinian corpuscle picks up pain. So the answer, ani Doc, is 1 and 4. And 2 and 3 are wrong because Messner's Doc pick up pressure. No, Doc. Messner's ba to ang temperature, ano? Pain?
Pressure.
Oh, pressure, yes.
Sakto
Pressure.
na, sakto
And
ka.
then naked nerve endings, Doc, pick up temperature. Stated
Yes.
one.
Yes, just think of it this way. Naked nerve endings are cold because they are naked.
Okay, Doc.
So remember that mnemonics, ha? Naked sila, that is why they feel cold.
Okay, yes, Doc.
Okay? Next number, kuan. Thank you, Miss Glory May. John Henry, number 15. Go. John Henry? John Henry.
So, Doc, madunggan ako.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Hello, Doc. Dunggan na.
Yes, I can hear you.
Nag-headset na. One is smell is a mechanical stimulus. 2 is light is a mechanical stimulus. 3 is sound is a mechanical stimulus. And 4, balance is a mechanical stimulus. The answer here is 3 and 4 because smell is a chemical stimulus and light is a photoreceptor. Stimulus, Doc. 1 and 2.
So yes, so smell is a chemical, light is an electromagnetic stimulus, ha? Sa tayo giingon sa light?
Photoreceptor, Doc.
Yeah.
Photoreceptors
Photoreceptor just describes
tama
the
po.
light. Does not describe the stimuli. Or when
Ay.
you really describe the stimuli, the ideal
Hmm.
answer is it is an electromagnetic. Ha? So electromagnetic. Okay? So very good. Okay, number 16. Kani, lisod-lisod ni. Number 16, Kim. Miss Kim?
Doc. Ah,
Sige, go Miss Kim.
cranial nerve 1 is the optic nerve. Cranial nerve 4 is the trochlear nerve. Cranial nerve 11 is the accessory nerve. Cranial nerve 7 is the trigeminal nerve. So, ang tama lang do kay 2 ug 3. The rest are false kay ang 1 ang 1 do kay olfactory
Very good. Then, ang number 7.
and then ang 7 kay wait lang daw. Facial do.
Very good. So, Miss, para dali ka, always remember you have one nose and two eyes. That is why your olfactory is only one. Ha?
Okay, Doc.
Okay, then sa CN number 7, always remember in the Bible, if somebody slaps you, you forgive them 70, 70, 70 times. So that is because if somebody slaps you in the face, you forgive them 70, 77 times because the facial nerve is the seventh cranial nerve. Okay?
Okay, Doc.
I mean, like, kung that's how I that's how I memorized it. I don't know, but you can do your technique, pero ako, that's how I remember it. Okay? Pero para nako, dili mo guna kinahanglan i-memorize jud, dapat kasabot jud mo, ha? Next is kuan. Miss mana si Kim, si Maria Eddie.
Okay, Doc. First statement, basic taste is spicy. Second statement, sour taste is the pain receptors in the mouth. Bitter taste is basic. Protein taste is the umami. And 3 and 4 is only correct. The rest is false. Kay spicy is not a taste. Mo ni ang mean sa second, which is pain. Kanamon ang pain receptor ni sa mouth. And then ang sour taste is acidic.
Very good, very good. So it's quite easy. So thank you, Miss Pechi. Next, Shan. Kalit lang Shan. Ako sa iya position, Shan. Kana Shan, go. Seventeen, yapon? Aka na. Go. Ano? Wala yapon? Kana, go. Yes. Oh, yes, that's correct, huh? So number 1 is wrong because negative feedback causes change. Negative feedback is kwan is caused by changes from normal. Then number 3, negative feedback stops when the normal levels are not achieved. They stop when the normal levels are achieved. Very good, Mr. Shan, huh? Next, let's go back to Miss Busico. Go. Busico. May Busico?
Sorry.
Okay na. Go.
Schwann cells improve conductive velocity of the sciatic nerve. Schwann cells create myelination of the brain. Schwann cells are phagocytic, and Schwann cells wrap around the axon. The answer is statement 1 and 4 are true. The reason why, because Schwann cells create myelination in the brain, this is wrong. It is oligodendrocytes.
Very good.
And Schwann cells are phagocytic. No, they are not phagocytic. They phagocytic means they wait, phagocytic. Sorry, Doc, I don't know what phagocytic is.
Phagocytic comes from the word phago, meaning to eat. Cytic means cells, so they are eating cells. So there's
So
only
it's not.
one. Kuan, kinsa man to ang eating cells na to? Microglia. So, microglia, always remember small bites, big appetite. So microglia. Okay, they are very phagocytic, not Schwann cells. Okay, let's continue. Sige, number 20, Mr. Kuan. Sige, Angelica Rose, you? Miss Kuan? Angelica? Angelica Rose? Okay, basig technical pa si Miss Angelica. Corinne? Miss Corinne?
Yes, Doc.
Go, Miss
Number
Corinne.
20. Sympathetic may cause erections. Number 2, sympathetic may cause ejaculation. 3, sympathetic may cause vaginal contraction. And 4, parasympathetic may cause vaginal contraction. Only statement 2 and 3 is true and the rest are false. So 1 is false. Sympathetic may cause erections. That is false because erections are mainly parasympathetic, and ejaculation is found in the sympathetic nervous system. And number 4 is false because parasympathetic is more involved in inflammation and not in the contraction.
Dili ha. So, parasympathetic has no effect on vaginal contractions. Wala siyang effect. Okay? Pero sympathetic has an effect on vaginal contractions. Okay?
Okay, the
So, I haven't discussed yet. It's more on immuno, manggod. The inflammation, the types of inflammations promoted by sympa and para. So, you will learn more of that in your immuno, ha? So, si Doc Jerry na lang matudloan na inyo, ha? Okay? Number 21. Number 21, Ilian at Tangpin. 21, go.
Okay, so number 21, muscarinic receptors may cause salivation. Then muscarinic receptors may cause tachycardia. Muscarinic receptors may cause digestion. Muscarinic receptors may cause bronchoconstriction. So the correct answer is 1 and 3. Then the reason why 2 and 4 is false is because for 2, it's not tachycardia, it's bradycardia because muscarinic receptors is for the parasympathetic.
Very
Then
good. Yes?
4, then 4 kay bronchoconstriction can't cause, it has to be bronchodilation because it's like relaxing. So it's not
Muscarinic?
yeah. It has to be
So it's
bronchodilation.
actually 3 and 4.
3 and 4?
Muscarinic causes bronchoconstriction because muscarinic is para sympathetic, ha? So
Oh.
ang answer dyan ni this one, ha?
Mm.
Number 2 is wrong because, like I said, sakto to mo, bradycardia. Number 1 is wrong because, oh no?
Ay, wait. No, wait.
Para way libog ato niyo.
Dok, libog sa mi ana, Dok. Kaya di mo
Okay.
muscarinic parasympathetic.
Wala na libog.
Ay,
Ideally,
bonus.
guys, is 1, 2, and 3. Okay? So, we are having this activity to make sure that mo lagi, to prevent things like this from happening, ha? Okay? Sige. So, continue. So, wala na ilibog. Okay? So, go ahead. Ay, ideally, unta, guys, also statement 1 is kuan. It's correct. Ang usa ra jud wrong ato niya. Okay? Next, number 22, Miss Glory May. Glory May na. Go.
Yes, Doc. Statement 1, the axon can receive impulses. Statement 2, the axon can regrow when it's cut. Statement 3, the axon is continuous. And statement 4, the axon is contiguous. So the right answer, any Doc, is statement 2 and 4. And then 1 and 3 is wrong, Doc. 1 is dili si axon na maka-receive impulses, Doc, but si dendrites. That's why axon ang mali ani.
Yes.
And then 3 is the axon is not continuous, it's contiguous, already stated in number 4.
Very good. So, tanawan yung number 3 and 4, opposite na sila. So, one of them is correct. Then, guys, the axon cannot receive impulses because it is heavily insulated by the myelin sheath. So that the myelin sheath is the one that prevents the axon from receiving information. Okay? Thank you, Miss Glory May. Kahit lang ha. Next, 23. Sige, John Henry, 23.
Okay. Oh, sige, Doc. Sana lang. Statement 1 is the brain is part of the CNS. The statement 2, the spinal cord is part of the CNS. And statement 3, the sciatic nerve is part of the PNS. And number 4, the cranial nerve is part of the PNS, which is letter E ang answer po. All answers are true.
Very good. All answers are true. Okay, so ikaw gyapon sa sunod John Henry kay all true man wa kay explain. Sige, number 24.
Number 24, the first statement is the flight response is pro-digestive. Number 2, the flight response is dampening and slow response. The flight response is anti-digestive. And the number 4, the flight response is taxing to the body. Answer kay statement 3 and 4, mali po kay the flight response is pro-digestive, which is wrong. Kay the flight response is sympathetic and it constricts our anal sphincter.
Hala, wait.
Ay,
wait
dili,
lang, ha?
mali. Ang digestion day, no?
So the flight
ano yung
response
case?
is what's man? Sympathetic. So no digestion will happen.
No
Okay,
digestion.
then number 2, flight response is not dampening. It is rapid and precise. So rapid kay na siya but short-lived. Very rapid but short-lived. Okay? Because it's very taxing to the body. Okay? So mo na yung sympathetic response, dili mo pwede ma-stress for prolonged periods of time because the sympathetic response should not be kanang extended. So because it's very taxing to your body. Bantay mo na, ma-stress mo, paspaski mo kapuyon, everything is very hard because of the response of your body. It's very taxing. Okay? Mo na, di jud ta pwede ma-expose to prolonged periods of stress. Okay? Although some people are better than others, pero still, it's not kanang dapat magpahuway jud. Okay? Next, Miss Kim, 25.
The frontal lobe is responsible for smell, the temporal lobe is for vision, the occipital lobe is for balance, the parietal lobe is for balance. Ang tama ra Dok, kay ang frontal lobe. Ang tama ra Dok, kay ang una. Ang temporal lobe. Ang temporal lobe Dok, kay sa hearing siya.
Very
Then,
good.
ang occipital lobe is for vision Dok.
Very good.
Ang parietal, kalimot ko sa parietal Dok, mas nandili siya balance.
Okay, ang balance kay ibong cerebellum.
Okay, Doc.
Cerebellum in coordination with your temporal lobe. So, ang occipital lobe, balance ang yun na siya. Okay, very good. Thank you, Miss Kim. So slow yan yung maka-answer. Kisay sunod. Kim. Maria Eddie. Ikaw sa explain ni Maria. Timingan jud ka.
Okay. All answers are false since dili ang ependydymal organ mag-create sa cerebrospinal fluid. It is actually the choroid plexus. Muna, wrong pod ang statement 3. And then statement 2, the cerebrospinal fluid makes the brain heavier. False ni siya, Doc, since ang main function is katong for protection, nourishment, and removal of waste. Then statement 4 is dili siya only found in the skull, but it is also found in the spinal cord.
Very good. That is why, student, if you need a sample of CSF, dapat you do not drill the head of your patient, but instead you try to tap on its spinal cord in order to get a sample of cerebrospinal fluid. Very good. Yes, Miss Corinne.
Question lang, Dok. Why is, di ba, ang choroid plexus kay specialized kuan ka ng ependymal cells, di ba? And together with the capillaries. So, different ang choroid plexus and ang choroid cells. Dok.
Dili. There are no choroid cells. The
Ah.
choroid plexus is an organ made up of ependymal cells.
So the ependymals are the cells itself, ra dili ang choroid
Yes.
plexus.
So actually, Miss Corinne, so statement 1 and 3, you just need to change the organ to cells and cells to organ. So that would make it all correct. Okay?
Okay, Doc.
Sige. So very good kuan ha, very inquisitive. Okay, sakto man sad. It's a very if you're not careful, you can get this wrong, ha? So, kuan. Okay? Sige lang. Next, 27. Sige, sunod. 27, Maria, Pechi, 27.
Uh, um, 27 is first kay dendrites can transmit impulse. Second is dendrites can receive impulse. The third is the soma of the neuron can receive impulses, and the fourth is the soma can transmit impulses. The correct one is 2 and 3 because dendrites cannot transmit impulse. It's the axon, and then the 4 is cannot the soma can most transmit og impulses. No?
Dili ha. The myelin can prevent receiving of impulses, not transmit. Okay? The dendrites do not have the ability to transmit impulses. Okay?
Mhm. Yes, Doc.
So, it's opposite. Okay? Very good. So, next is Rafael Shan. Rafael Shan, 28.
Statement 1. Schwann cells myelinate the brain. Statement 2. The ependymal cells create CSF for the common brachial nerve. Statement 3. The microglial is highly phagocytic. Statement 4. The nucleus in neurons is called nuclear substance. Answer is D. Only statement is true and the rest is false.
Explain.
Schwann cells. Wait lang.
Yeah, sure.
The only statement 3 is correct because microglial is also known as your macrophages. Then the nucleus and neurons. I forgot the.
Sorry? Huh? Sorry, Rafael?
Only statement is correct because the microglial is highly phagocytic because it
What
is
makes
like
number
your
1 wrong?
macrophages.
What makes number 1 wrong?
The oligodendrocytes myelinate the brain because brain is part of the CNS.
Very good. How about number 2?
I don't know, Doc.
Actually, the first statement of number 2 is correct. The ependymal cells create CSF. That's correct. But it doesn't make CSF for the brachial nerve because ependymal cells are only found in the CNS. So the brachial nerve is obviously in your brachium. So di na siya mahimo og kuha na siya, PNS, not CNS. Okay? And number 4, the nucleus in the neuron is called initial substance. Instead, unsa ganito? Initial substance is made up of
Your uh,
yang
your rough ear.
very good. Rough ER na siya, ha? So only number 3 is correct. Thank you, Mr. Rafael. Shan? Shan, 29? Wow. Go. Okay? Ano? Number 3 is correct. Kaya ako magyantiran. Explain lang why number 2 is wrong. Oh. So the pons is responsible for consciousness. It should not be consciousness because the one responsible for consciousness is your thalamus. Thalamus na ha. Then number 4 is wrong because the cerebellum controls the movement of the hand muscles. The cerebellum controls fine motor movements and balance, but the hand muscles are being controlled by your cerebral cortex. Dili siya kwan. Dili siya kanang it is not your cerebellum that controls it. Okay? Did you follow? Kung nasa answer, Mr. Shanke, lisod ang connection. Okay? Okay, so let's continue. Hapit na, para mahuman na ta. So, kana, number 30. Balik na sa taas. Mr. Busico, number 30.
Okay. The hippocampus controls breathing. The brainstem controls breathing. The pons controls breathing, and the medulla controls breathing. Statements 2, 3, and 4 are correct, while the rest is false.
Only
The
one
reason
is
for this,
false.
sorry, Doc, what?
Only one is false.
Yeah, only one is false. So, so the reason for this is that the hippocampus is actually responsible for the memory, while the brainstem, pons, and medulla are responsible for breathing because usually breathing, heartbeat, etc. are controlled by the area around the brainstem, which the brainstem, pons, and medulla are located.
Very good. So the medulla and the pons are specific areas of the brainstem responsible for breathing. They are all found in the structure after the insertion of the foramen magnum in the brainstem. Okay, so mo siyang gitawag sa brainstem because the brainstem has three parts. The medulla, the pons, and the sa itong usa pa ka member sa brainstem. Nakalimot ko sa ikatulo. Basta nanay ikatulo.
Midbrain, Doc.
Ha? The midbrain.
Midbrain.
Sakto dahil. The midbrain, the pons, and the medulla all work together in synchronization in order to cause your kanang to use the kaning kuan ha. So very good, Miss Corina, nakahinumdum jud ka. Okay, so nakalimot jud ko sa last part. Okay, so next is kuan. Balik na ta ni kuan, Miss Corinne, number 31.
Um, This powers the resting membrane potential. So the answer is ATPase.
This powers man.
The
Please, yeah.
sodium potassium.
Dili. Ang answer ana is your ATP. Because your ATP is the powerhouse, or it is the power energy currency. The ATPase is the one that unlocks the power from the energy currency. Electrons, I just made it up. And for kinetic energy, that is used for diffusion. Okay? So action potential na ang D. Okay, did
So,
you follow?
yes,
Naman.
the question, so ang ATP is, the power source is ATP, but it goes through the sodium potassium pump.
No. The powerhouse is the ATP. It requires ATPase to unlock its energy. It is the one that powers the sodium potassium pump, maintaining the state of resting membrane potential. Okay, did you follow?
Is the
Very good. Ako man ko ni na ako ano eh. Ako din ni answer. Siran. Yeah. Sige. Number 32. Kuan? Tanpin?
Number 32, Doc Chuck wants to pull out fluids out of the cell. He would most likely use what solution? Hypertonic.
Very good. Hypertonic, ha? So if you want to maintain the integrity of the cell, you use isotonic. If you want the cell's contents to, you want to decrease the intracellular volume, you use hypotonic. Okay? So the correct one is hypertonic. Okay, thank you, Mr. Tangpin. Glory May, number 33.
Doc, question lang sa 31, Doc, is ATP ang answer, Doc, or ATPs?
Sorry. I made a mistake.
Okay,
Thank
Doc.
you, Miss Koana. Sorry. Si Piet Doc da. Okay, corrected. Sige, go na. Kuha na dito.
Number 33, in order to do active transport, this is removed or cleaved the element from the energy currency of the cell. So answer, Doc, is phosphorus.
Very good. It's quite a straightforward question, ha? So I hope dagang nakakuha niya. Okay. Straightforward kasi na question. Okay? Next, number 34. John Henry?
Yes, no. This number 34, this tissue contract and generate signals, but it's very developed in for contracting. For the answer po is letter C, muscle.
Yes, because the neurons and the neuron can also do both, but they are great for generating signals. Okay, the nephron is for the toxification together with the hepatocytes. So the king of contraction when it comes to tissue is always and will always be the muscle tissue. Okay. Next is Miss Kim. Kim Huves. Miss Kim, go.
35, Doc.
35, yeah.
This state is maintained by the constant need for metabolic energy. Answer is resting potential, Doc.
Very good. So, very good. So, that is why if your body is deprived of oxygen, you cannot perform the electron transport chain. So, your neurons will fail to go into a resting potential phase. That is why they cannot anymore function properly. So, the only way to maintain the resting potential phase is the constant need for metabolic energy. Okay? What? 36. 36. Kanang gito. Miss Maria Eddie, 36.
Okay, Doc. This is the site where neurotransmitters are released. Axon terminal ang answer, Doc.
Very
Since,
good.
mo explain
Very
mo ko, Doc? Or,
Huh?
mo explain mo ko, Doc? Or straightforward yung answer? Ay, okay, Doc. Axon terminal, since, di ba ang axon terminal mo ni ang murag, ang pinaka-end nga part sa axon. So dira ma-release ang neurotransmitter. Dendrites mo receive, dili siya ma-release. Axon hilak. Ano yung question sa axon hilak, Dok? Is
Ah,
ang action hilak diri ba ma-generate ang action potential or diri mag-store ang
Yan.
action potential?
Yeah, diha siya ma-generate once threshold is released, achieved.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
Dok.
so without threshold, axon hillock is pretty much dili siya ka-generate. Okay?
Okay, Dok. Thank you.
Okay, next is Peachy, number kwan, number 37.
Now it said, okay, vlog, okay makita.
Kana.
Okay, so, hindi po, di siya magawa sa akin.
Okay, ako na lang answer. Thank you, Miss Peachy ha. Kwan, this changes the shape with the use of metabolic energy. So, basta changes gani of shape, it is most likely the carrier protein. So, carrier protein atong gistoryaan. Okay? Next. 38. 38. Shan, number 38. Straightforward. Very good. Okay, so ependymal cells release CSF. Schwann cells create myelin sheath. Microglia can release nitrous oxide. So the only thing that releases nerve growth factor is only the astrocyte. So nerve growth factors affects the neurons by stimulating the growth of a new axon, especially if the axon is damaged. So axons can actually regrow, but the neurons itself, unfortunately, they cannot regrow. Okay, so yan so yun ra kayo niyo. Next, kanang balik na sa taas-taas. Mr. Busico, number 39. Hapit na ta. We're halfway there.
This refers to the movement of solvent. The answer is osmosis.
Very
Uh,
good.
reasoning is because membrane channels don't move. They're channels where or molecules pass through. Carrier proteins carry across channels, so it's not actually doing any. It's not actually the ones that are movement, and it's not based on solvent solute. And diffusion is refers to the movement of solute, while osmosis refers to the movement of solvent.
Very good. Very good. Huh? Okay, next is Miss Corinne, number 40.
Um, this refers to the chemical messengers of the neurons. So the correct answer is neurotransmitters, because neurotransmitters, these are the messengers that are released to the neurons so that they can communicate on the synapse.
Very good. Very good. Next is Mr. Tangpin, number 41. Number 31.
I went wrong button, Doc. Activation of this receptor has been known to inhibit pancreatic insulin production. So the answer is alpha 2 because it's the answer is alpha 2 because this receptor is usually responsible for inhibiting most of the body systems.
Very good. And also, it is also responsible for the kanang it's found in the pancreas, so it increases actually the kwan, it actually increases the it actually opposes the kwan, the opposes the effect of insulin. So kanang relationship between kanang alpha 2 stimulation and insulin, that is called physiological antagonist. Okay, so meaning i-antagonize niya ang insulin itself. Okay? Next is, thank you, Mr. Tangpin. Glory May, number, kuan, number 42. Ako sang i-bring up, 42. So, 42.
Okay, 42, Doc. This is the postganglionic neurotransmitter for the presympathetic. Um, for
What's my answer?
hippocamp Hippocampus, Doc. No, dobutamine. Sorry, Doc. Straight answer, Doc. Dobutamine.
Dobutamine. Very good, na? Dobutamine. Okay? Ay, wait. This, what's ito? 42?
Yes, Doc.
This
I know.
postganglion presynaptic man.
None of the above there, Doc.
None of the above, not dobutamine. Okay? So, for everyone's knowledge, your kuan, your dobutamine is considered a wait, it's quite a mouthful. Sympathomimetic. Okay? Do you know what sympathomimetic is? From the word mimetic, meaning it will imitate, and it is called sympatho, meaning it will imitate the effects of the parasympathetic nervous system. Okay, thank you, Miss Kwan. Glory May. Next, John Henry.
Yes, Doc.
So, I think,
Doc, kasi nag-difference sa'yo pang number.
yeah,
Mag-start
nasa
with
option na.
elephants, Doc, no? Okay.
Ah?
Elephants are said to have great memory. Mag-start na ako, Doc. Okay.
Go.
Elephants are said to have great memory. This is most likely due to well-developed part of the brain. What part of the brain? Ang answer po kay letter D, hippocampus, which is nakadepende ang memory of the animal po and the brain. Ang hippocampus. And then, ang thalamus kasi po is for uh, the circadian rhythm. And then,
Very good. Or
sa
the
basal
sleep-wake cycle.
nucleus. And then, nakalimot ko dok sa A and D, pero this one, sure ko, my personal answer kay letter D po ito na answer na ko. Kaya I trusted my gut lang, ganun.
Very good. So, sakto ha, hippocampus ang ilang well-developed. Okay, thank you, Mr. Tangpin. Next is 43. Kuan, Glory May, 43.
Yes, Doc. This organ serves as the source of CSF, so it's choroid plexus, Doc. If you say organ, it's choroid plexus, Doc.
Very good. Ependymal is cells. Naka-word na cells, oh. Okay. Sige, thank you, Miss Kuan, Glory May. John Henry. Number 44.
This controls the heart of an animal.
Heart rate.
The heart rate of the animal, sorry, Doc. Answer po kay brainstem.
Brainstem. Very good. It's quite cool. Diba? If you want to stop the heart rate, destroy the brainstem. Okay? Thank you. Next, Kim. Miss Kim.
Doc.
Yeah.
This controls the the heart rate of an animal. The answer is brainstem.
Yeah, sorry, 45 there, 45.
Kyphotic. A hunchback horse most likely have a damaged basal nuclei, Doc. Motor movements ang basal nuclei, Doc.
Yes. No. Posture. Kyphotic, oh. Hunchback.
Posture,
kyphotic siya. When you say corpus callosum, has nothing to do with it. Pons and medulla are responsible for vital signs. Mga breathing, So, they're not kuan. So, the answer is basal ganglia, letter B. Okay? Next, Maria Eddy. Ako sang i-bring up ha. Maria Eddy.
This is responsible for bronchodilation. Beta 2 ang answer. Pero kung bronchoconstriction ni siya, I think alpha 1 ang answer to, if ever lang.
Sa taon sa naka-answer mo sila?
Bronchodilation, Doc, beta 2. Kung if ever ang question ani is bronchoconstriction, ay dili. Ay naman dayo, sakto dayo, Doc. Beta 2, beta 2.
So, when you say bronchoconstriction, students, the answer would be none of the above because those are all adrenergic receptors. So, their effect on the lungs will always be vasodilation. Ha? Ayaw makalimot, ha? Okay. Number 47. Horse, number 47, Pechi. Save sa nako ha para just in case mag-run out.
47 Doc, kay horses only sleep for 15 minutes at a time. This part of the brain is responsible for this. The answer is thalamus, Doc, because they handle the sleep wake cycle, Doc.
Very good. So thalamus, okay? So they handle the sleep wake cycle. Okay. Next is Shan, 48. Very good. Yes, this is where sound is processed. Very straightforward. Huh? No need to explain. Next, 49. Mr. Busico.
Hawks have excellent vision. This is most likely due to the occipital lobe, where vision is processed.
Very good. It's quite straightforward. Number 50. Corinne.
Um, Dogs with a great sense of smell most likely have a well-developed olfactory bulb found in dog kani dog dili na siya frontal lobe.
Yeah, Doc.
Yes,
This is
ayun po
frontal
na.
lobe.
Sorry. Frontal lobe. Mabito na ginanita. Okay, so thank you ha. So correct. Okay? Any questions so far? Wala ra mo kuan? Don't
None, Doc.
worry. Before ta mag-RBE, 2 weeks before ta mag-RBE, i-release yun sa atong P3, humanatag rationalized P3, ikagabiya na I will send you the PDF copy of all of these things. Okay? Kay para
Thank
na
you
mo
po.
ganang lahi naman good. You can print it, you can doodle with it. Charog di jud nakakuha sa RBE ha. I'm not really pulling kuan. I'm pulling all the stops jud to para makapasar ta ha. So you try to study and please do your part. Okay?
Yes,
So
Doc.
dili ra
Thank you
ko
po.
di ra ko problema na di ko magsakit akong dughan nga kung ihatag ninyo ha. All your exams man are new. I always make them man. I don't recycle anything. Okay? So if kanang I will not hold you long lang ha. So if wala na question whatsoever, kanang let's call it a day kay happy na alas G's, ha? Okay, so good night for now. I will see you C1 Friday. Okay?
She what?
Excuse me, Doc.
Oh, unsa man?
Uh, will we have a quiz this Friday, Doc, based on the previous discussion?
We'll see. We'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see. I will ask the gods above if should I give an exam or not. Joke. Okay, we'll see lang sa ha.
Okay, Doc. Thank you, Doc. Have a good night,
Yes,
Doc.
Miss Kim.
Ay, kaning Doc na ako 8 p.m. di ay Doc.
Ah, sige, i-PM lang sa Facebook mo i-PM na ako personal.
Opo, Doc. Wala ko kablo sa imong email mong Doc.
Okay, sige. Corinne?
Dog, pwede ta pabalik sa katong naay pre-sympathetic na question. Dili to siya
Asa man?
tong post-ganglion.